In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom invoice numbers in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with QuickBooks, customizing your invoice numbers can help you keep track of your invoices more effectively and even align them with your unique business needs. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Once you're in, it's time to sign in to your existing QuickBooks Online account. Simply click on Sign In QuickBooks Online. If you're already set up, go ahead and enter your account details. Here, you'll find an option to verify your identity with I'm not a robot. Just click on it to complete the verification and then proceed by clicking Continue. Next, enter your password to gain access to your account. Once entered, confirm by clicking on Continue again. If you manage multiple companies under your QuickBooks account, now's the time to choose the correct company file from the options presented. This ensures that any changes you make will apply to the right company profile. Now that you're on the dashboard, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right corner. This will open up a menu where you'll want to select Custom Form Styles. Here, you have the opportunity to adjust various form-related settings, but for now, click on Account and Settings to delve deeper into your customization options. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, click on the Sales tab. Within the Sales settings, look for the Sales Form Content section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option for custom transaction numbers. You'll want to turn the toggle on to allow for custom invoice numbers. This is a crucial step as it gives you the freedom to define and manage your invoice numbering system. With that enabled, make sure you click on Save to store your settings. Now it's time to create an invoice with your custom number. Click on the plus new button in the left navigation bar and select Invoice from the drop-down menu. As you create your invoice, you'll see that the invoice number field is now editable, allowing you to input your custom invoice number like INV 1001 or 2025-01, whatever aligns with your business's system. Once you've entered your invoice details and custom number, the last thing you need to do is ensure everything looks right. Click on Save if you're not ready to send it just yet, or Review and Send if you're ready to email it to your client. And that's all it takes. Following these steps will help you implement custom invoice numbers in QuickBooks Online, providing you with more control and organization over your business transactions. Remember to save your changes throughout the process, and you'll soon enjoy the benefits of a more personalized invoicing system.